In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize job alerts on Glassdoor. If you want the right roles delivered straight to you, setting up alerts the right way saves time and keeps you ahead of new postings. Let's walk through it clearly and make sure every alert you create actually matches what you want. First, open Glassdoor and go to your profile. Click your profile icon and choose Notifications. This is your central hub for all job alert settings, so you can create new alerts or fine-tune existing ones without digging through menus. Next, to build a new alert or modify one you already have, click the plus Create Job Alert button, or select the pencil icon next to any alert you want to edit. Editing is great when you're close to what you need and just want to update a detail, like a location or frequency. Now define your criteria so the alerts are accurate. In the job title or keyword field, enter the specific roles you're targeting. The more precise you are, the better your matches will be, so consider common title variations that align with your experience. For location, add the cities, states or zip codes you're open to. This can be one place or several, depending on your search. If you're focused on virtual roles, select remote to filter for positions that can be done from anywhere, which helps you avoid in-office listings. Choose how often you'd like updates under frequency. Pick daily if you're actively searching and want the newest postings quickly, or weekly if you prefer a digest approach. This choice helps balance urgency with inbox comfort. When everything looks right, click Save. That activates your customized alert so new jobs matching your criteria start coming to you automatically. By the way, if you need easy access, I've placed the official Glassdoor website link and the app download link right at the top of the description for you. To manage your existing alerts, use the toggle next to each one to pause or resume notifications at any time. This is perfect if you're taking a break or want to temporarily stop emails without losing your setup. If you no longer need an alert, click the X or choose Delete in your alert history to remove it. And if you ever stop receiving alerts unexpectedly, a quick fix is to delete the alert and re-add it. That refreshes delivery and resets the frequency so messages resume as expected. That's it. With these steps, your job alerts will be accurate, timely, and easy to manage. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more practical guides, and thanks for watching.